Go.
Hi,
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
we're gonna start.
Today we have Jeets and Gamon. Say hi.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
What's up?
And I will of course leave Jeets.
And there's we're gonna have to meet when the round starts.
Yeah.
So I can talk to you guys. I'll leave so I can have to talk.
Okay, mute.
You guys.
Mute.
Okay, so crewmates, we can't let them get us, okay? We must survive. We must survive. Fuel station. This is the easiest task on earth. If it's in group one, it's even easier. Yeah, it's in groups. I just gotta finish my tasks so we can win. We don't got much tasks. Okay, that was good. Well, they're secretly VCing. Well, I can see them. I went into the thing we're using to VC. I saw them go like, whoo, but they're meant to be. Well, they didn't unmute, so we're just chatting like in the chat. But this is just unfair. It's 2v1. I think they're imposters. I might report them. I see sign on me. Signs on me and I'm going on. I just did a task in here, so like. It wasn't a reactor. I found it in a reactor. And Cyan was coming down.
Not me.
Cyan, it was Cyan.
It's actually not me.
It's Cyan. Cyan was coming down from
I
there.
think I read an vote Cyan. I'll vote Cyan.
Cyan was.
If Cyan's the imposter, then I'm not gonna vote. Come on. Then I'm gonna vote. Come on. Just kidding. I do it anyway.
Okay,
Okay.
mute. Okay, I hope it's him. Because I saw him running down from the reactor. So I think it might be him. Come on. Woo! Oh my god, how is it not him? Nah, we're dead. It's over. It's all over. This guy's. I don't actually choose. Another choice. Oh yeah, this is my last fuel. This is my last fuel thing. And I've done all my tests. Yeah, I've done all my tests. And of course I had to die. And I have to do my tasks. Well, he's gonna sell for 4. No, he didn't. Was it black that showed me? That's red. I just realized it's Gamon. It's Gamon and Jeets. It's Gamon and Jeets. It's over. We're dead. It's Gamon and Jeets. It's Gamon and Jeets. It's over. We're all dead. It's Gamon and Jeets. I know. But it's innocent. Cat player. And they just vote out the guy who it isn't. Wait, no, that guy killed me. Yeah, that guy killed me. Yes. I thought it was Gamon. Because it had the red outfit. That just tricks me. Claim ownership. I'm sure. So, like, change the settings. Cost more than this. Become cost less than that. Like that. Who's there? Me. Are you a ghost? Yes. Wait, so you're spent time. So you came to save me, thanks. Let's go back with time. Oh. Ooh, I got a badge. It's always nice to see badges. There's no way I'm gonna do this. What is this? Look. Ooh. I'm gonna want to come on. How does he do it? He doesn't do O2. Oh, he does do O2. Yeah, come on, did O2. He's innocent. Come on, this is innocent. I've finished my tasks. That's all I need to say. Finished my task. Would have finished my task. Finished my task. Would have finished my task. My task. Would have finished. I want to hear what they're saying, so I'm gonna hop in the PC.
I was doing tasks. I was doing well, I think yellow is sus. Well, about when I was wait. I know yellow is sus because yellow was standing and just standing, and then that is standing, and then he was right next to the place where the thing rang, where the red lights rang when he was just
whole entire game. I was with them.
Well,
so I know it's pink.
But I think it's yellow, but okay, I'll vote pink. Oh, I didn't have enough time. If it's not pink, then it has to be yellow. Oh, well, it's not yellow, I guess. Okay.
Okay, guys,
we got a #1 victory royale. Y'all Fortnite about to go down. Get down, 10 kills on the board right now. Let's ride up Tomato Town. Oh yeah, just
guys,
get down. How do I build with a head of south down? How to place with a frog street.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do another video.
Donate 5 Robux. Donate 5 Robux. I'm donating 5 Robux. Just kidding.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do.
That place. Wait, I'm going to lead. Gee, look, I'm going to.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do.
You're third in the. No. Wait, well, how do I check the leaderboard? How do I check? I'm third in the leaderboard.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do another match, then I'll end the game.
And then I'm 6th. Let's go. What? You play talk about with your ex, but talk is your daughter.
Gonna be the imposter. This is good. I'm a imposter. Okay, I'm an imposter, guys. So all I have to do is kill them and win the game. Easy game. It's time to kill. Ooh, I'm a sabotage. So they can't like. So they can't. I'm gonna follow Gamon so I can like.
Who? Who?
I forgot the map name. I forgot the name of the map. I forgot the name of the map.
Oh, okay. But Jason, who is it? Jason, who is it?
I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know who it is or what it is.
Just skip.
Come on, say it. This is gonna be so good. This is easy win right here. Easy. Anyways, I'm gonna do a sabotage.
Who? Who? I find bodies everywhere, but who? Okay, that's a sus, but okay, who? 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 How is it live? He just finds. Okay. I'm gonna vote the person who said. I got him. No, who? What? Mute.
Yes!
Well.
Yes! I know, I was raging because he killed me.